Importance of communication and facilitation while conducting elicitation. Successful completion of this module will enable participants to understand what conducting elicitation is and the role of facilitation and communication while conducting elicitation. Conducting elicitation, the task is to meet with the stakeholders and elicit information regarding their needs. The goal is to obtain elicitation results, which may include documentation appropriate to the technique used for elicitation and capture the information provided during the meeting. The role of facilitation while conducting elicitation, the task is the process that a business analysis goes through in order to bring out an outcome by providing supervision when a change is required, when there are unclear needs or no clear solution to a problem. The goal is to determine the ideal solution that meets the needs of the stakeholders from the elicitation engagement. The role of communication while conducting elicitation, the task is the role of the business analysis must draw out or bring forth possible solutions to problems when change is required. The goal with good communication skills, they will clarify the message, prevent breakdown, and resolve conflict. This will ease in the business analysis ability to facilitate the group, team, or individuals to arrive at a shared and common understanding of problems, differing viewpoints on solutions and processes. Techniques that are used while conducting elicitation, the purpose is to meet with the stakeholders to elicit the information regarding their needs. The purpose of elicitation is to meet with that stakeholder group to elicit information regarding their needs. The elicitation event takes place, or elicitation is performed, or elicitation is distributed to the group of stakeholders. Elicitation techniques used to bring forth the requirements and elements of conducting that particular technique can take place through brainstorming, document analysis, or focus groups, which are easy to facilitate due to the small size and can be done by interviews, surveys, questionnaires, or observations and job shadowing. A team meeting, which can be a little trickier for business analysis to schedule and facilitate. It can take place through interface analysis, interviews, observations, prototyping, and requirements workshops, and it can be distributed throughout through surveys and questionnaires. Business analysis are often faced with stakeholders that express superficial and vague statements of what they envision in a solution. In all fairness, stakeholders are unable to provide direct requirements around a future solution they can't see, feel, or touch. At best, elicitation allows a business analysis to bring forth from a business stakeholder a clear description and closure around what problem the stakeholder wants to solve and what their requirements around the ideal solution to a problem are. The business analysis will use elicitation techniques, facilitation techniques, and their communication skills and the skills of subject matter experts or stakeholders to have a clear understanding of the business problem, need for change, and the ideal business solution. Through utilization of various facilitation techniques discussed, a business analysis will conduct elicitation. A business analysis will need to ensure that they are using proper communication and people management techniques to clearly communicate to the analyzed audience clearly and concisely. The scope of the elicitation engagement, the statement of business problems and being solved, the ground rules, objectives, and agenda, and the expectations from facilitation engagement attendees. Use your people skills to build rapport with the audience so that stakeholders are kept involved at the engagement. Everyone feels understood, respected, and heard, and everyone collaborates and contributes their fair share at the engagement. Everyone has fun and actually feels motivated